Good afternoon everyone, it's Louise from Eleanor Grace. Just to say that my new video, a workshop for how to make a beautiful needle case like this for yourself or for your friends is out now, and I will be putting a QR code at the end of this video, so you can scan that with your phone and then you can purchase the video for this. You can also use that link to purchase the beginner's video. If you make the payment, they're only £10 each at the moment for these videos for you to keep forever. And once you have paid, if you let me know, I will then send you the link, and you will have the link for you to use it again and again and again. So I now have the beginners and the intermediates workshops both done, and next will be a heart workshop, which I'm just working on at the moment. So I'm looking into some new stitches for you, and to add to your arsenal, and that will be coming out in the next few weeks. But first of all, just here to show you the little stitch case that I've made, and if you're interested in making one, it would be a lovely present for someone, especially somebody who's a stitcher who will appreciate the time and effort that's gone into it. So that one is out now, and I will be creating some more content over the next few weeks. I have a little bit of time off coming up in a week or so, and so you'll be seeing a little bit more from me for the next few weeks. And don't forget to like and to comment. It really does help. As well as doing the workshops, there's a lot of free content on the site for you, and I can only provide that, with your assistance. So just making a little comment about whether you've liked the video and what you're going to do, that does make all the difference. And if you want to subscribe, you will obviously get notified of all my new videos. That's it for now, and I will see you soon. Bye.